unmonitored falls are far too common and can cause injury or even result in death. The current fall detection solutions are either expensive or inaccurate. Introducing KamiCare, the first 99% accurate and affordable fall management solution. The unintrusive KamiCare sensor is continuously detecting potential falls. When a fall is detected, a blurred and encrypted video is sent to the KamiCare Monitoring Center for review. The KamiCare Monitoring Center confirms the fall and eliminates false alerts. If the fall is confirmed, an alert is sent to a caregiver or staff via phone call, SMS, and email, guaranteeing the quickest response possible, ensuring resident safety and peace of mind. KamiCare is easy to set up, affordable, extremely accurate, and protects seniors' privacy.